HMD Pulse Pro Screen Replacement Video Tutorial. Press the power key and switch off the phone. Use pin and remove the SIM card tray. Insert the tip of an opening pick between the back cover and frame. Slide it along the left edge to begin. Unclipping the back cover. Lift the back cover off the frame and flip it over the left edge of your phone. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove the all screws securing the cover. Insert an opening tool and gently lift up the cover. Use the flat tool to pry up and disconnect the battery and power key press connector. Use tweezers under the metal neck of the cable connector head and gently pull up. Use the flat tool pry up and disconnect the display cable connector. Use the tip of the tweezer to insert into the top right corner and gently lift the motherboard, then use the flat tool and separate the board. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove the all screws securing the cover. Use flat tool and lift up the speaker box. Disconnect the flex cable connector. Use tweezer and lift up the cable connector. Use the tweezer and lift up charging board. Follow this sequence to remove the battery. Use flat tool and your fingers to carefully peel the 3 plastic tabs from the battery. With one hand, fold the clear outer tabs of the battery to secure the frame. With your free hand, grip the center pull tab and pull straight up to fully separate the battery from adhesive. Use the tweezer and carefully lift up the motor, speaker, and receiver. Screen installation. Gently install the speaker, motor, and receiver, making sure the contact pins are correctly positioned. If you use the old battery, you will also need to install a new battery film, as highlighted in the picture on the left side. Position the battery in the compartment and apply firm pressure to secure it. Insert the charging board into the frame. To reconnect the cable, hold the metal head over its socket and press down. It should snap into place. Insert the motherboard into the frame and press it gently. Press the display connector. Carefully connect the cable head and align it properly. Install the speaker box. Use a crosshead screwdriver to fasten the all screws securing the speaker box. Align the both connectors over its socket and press down with your fingertip. Install the cover into place and press down firmly. Use a crosshead screwdriver and fasten the all screws. Place the back cover onto the chassis and apply firm pressure around the cover to lock all the latches back in place. Use the SIM trays markings to orient and reinsert it properly. Thank you for watching.